Okay. Chalo, let's begin. 9572, good number to start. What are your problems for your presentations? One by one. I'm audible?
Ma'am, yeah, ma'am, what will be the duration of presentation for one group?
See, there is no time duration as such. Clear? I have limited the presentation with six people in a group. Okay? And two slides each. Okay. So, time is not a problem, but two slides, minimum two slides, you need to present. Okay? That is a limitation. Okay? Clear? For each one in the group. Two slides, minimum two slides is to be presented by each member in the group. So, some people take just 1 minute to present two slides, or some may take 5 minutes to present two slides. So, if I bound them with 1 minute, then that would be ticking in your brain ki acha acha, and just need to complete everything within 2 minutes. So, don't go by that. Put enough material on two slides so that you give enough stuff to be marked out of 15. It's just that. Clear? Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Hmm. What is the next question?
Excuse
Any
me,
more
ma'am.
question? Yes,
Excuse me,
Aisha,
ma'am.
bolo.
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yes, Aisha.
can we have separate slides for introduction and conclusion, or we have to include those?
No, I mean the cover page, the cover slide, clear, which will have the details of your presentation. I mean the names of the member, the title of the presentation, and all. Okay, that
Yes,
would be
ma'am.
the cover page. But introduction and conclusion are inclusive of the main content slides. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. So someone need to introduce what you are going to do, clear how you have come up with the topic, clear what exactly you are going to present. Take care. So that would be a kind of introduction, and then what is the conclusion? What has the group concluded on the topic? Okay, that would be inclusive.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes. So
ma'am, do
Shriva.
we have to mention the source and where we got the?
Obviously, that has to be kept in the reference link, reference slide, na, at the last.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hmm. Any more question?
Ma'am, can we use any other language like a phase of Hindi to explain our
You can use code switching, but the explanation has to be in English. Okay, I mean,
No, only
some
for display, ma'am. I'm asking for only for display.
only for display. I mean, I'm not getting it. What exactly you're trying to do?
Matlab, in the PPT, can we write a phrase of Hindi to explain
Ha
our?
ha ha. You can do that. You can do that. In case if it is if the topic demands you to use a Hindi phrase or some kind of quotation marks which is there in Hindi, that can be used. But try to provide the English translations as well.
Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. What more? What more?
Ma'am, can we use flowcharts in slides for presentation?
I didn't get it. Once again, please.
Ma'am, actually, we can use the flowchart.
Flow chart. Yes, yes.
Okay, ma'am.
But in case if you're picking up a flow chart from anyway, you need to provide the source. And if you're creating yours, then it's fine.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hmm. और कुछ जल्दी बताओ और कुछ है तो else I'll begin with the topic.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, question will be asked regarding our slides.
हाँ, obviously. You know that I mean a different teacher will be evaluating your presentations, right? I've told you this.
Yes, ma'am.
So in case if they are asking questions, you need to be ready with your answer. You need to defend yourself. Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am, my group only have 4 people, so 8 slides will be enough.
Uh, yes, that would be enough. Take care. Put it to. I mean, if it shouldn't be less than 10. So in
Yeah.
case if someone can take 3 slides,
Yes,
decide
ma'am.
among yourself. Okay.
Sure,
Bring
ma'am.
it to 10. Extend it to 10 at least.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Hmm. और बताओ.
Ma'am,
Hmm. बोलो.
ma'am, I have a doubt regarding the topic.
बोलो.
Like the topic is entertainers or army heroes who are the real heroes. So
Mm-hmm.
we have to say for like only for the entertainers or only for the army, or we have
See,
to say for the both of the support.
this is a comparison, right? You understand this, yeah? Now, a comparison cannot be completed when you're not showing both the sides. Okay, I mean, how do you compare? On what grounds are you comparing both? Okay, so those grounds has to be established first, number one, and then you need to show which side is heavier. Okay, I mean, the side you choose should be in consent with the members of your team. Okay. I mean, say for example, if you're choosing army people over, the entertainers. So why? Yeah. What are the grounds? What are the strong grounds on which the group believes that they are the real heroes? Okay. So comparison number one cannot be only one-sided. Clear. You need to present both the sides, but after presenting the side, you need to show which is the heaviest side, and you go by that. I mean, the team can gives the consent to have one side of the topic. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, our topic, failure of achiever, does it really motivates?
Mm-hmm.
Ma'am, that motivate part, it regarding the achievers motivation or regarding us, means it really
No, no, the audience, right? It is for the audience.
means for
Yeah,
us.
I mean, see, obviously, no, for the other people. See, we have so many interviews of big achievers. Clear? I mean, you name any. Okay, so in most of the interviews, you will see that they ask question. What was the thing that you struggled with, or how did you manage to achieve things? These are the some questions. Now, what is the intention of asking these questions? They ask so that people come to know what struggles they have been through. Okay, so do we actually focus on? I mean, after hearing their interviews or listening to their interviews or watching their interviews, as an audience, do we really get motivated? Clear? Do we really understand the fact that going through their struggle, we can also achieve things? Okay, or how far it motivates, even if people are getting motivation. Clear? How far it motivates? Okay, is
Yes,
there
ma'am.
is there any other thing which needs to be discussed? Because the success is for that people, for that person, right? I mean, it cannot be similar for other person. Okay, everyone has their own race to win. Okay, so how exactly it motivates, or is it motivating? Okay, what are the factors? I wanted to come up with that. Okay,
Okay.
so an audience perspective has to be looked at. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
और बताओ.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
our topic is need of political universities in
Hmm.
for Indian politicians. तो मैम उसमें
Hmm.
मेरिट से लिखी सिर्फ मेरिट्स के बारे में बताइए, हम डिमेरिट्स भी ले सकते हैं थोड़ी.
नीड है ना. ठीक है. I
Yes,
mean,
ma'am.
need means there is a crisis, right? There is a crisis. What are the reasons for the crisis? That is the reason you need to explore first. Okay, the reasons for this crisis. Why are politicians coming from different backgrounds? Backgrounds mean academic background. Someone having a honors in chemistry, someone coming from an engineering background, someone not having a degree at all, right? So, what qualifies them? I mean, to become a politician? Okay, at different levels. ठीक है, निगम पार्षद हो गया, तुम्हारे स्टेट लेवल पे हो गया, जितने भी हैं डेजिग्नेशन पोस्ट हैं, ठीक है. सो we don't have a specific university like we have for engineering, for medical, or for other disciplines. We just have one subject, which is political science. Okay, so do you think a political university, dedicated political university, is the need of the hour where they should get a certification to practice politics? Number one. Number two, if it is clear, what are the reasons? Why should people feel that the eligibility criteria for all these politicians should be revised, which has not been revised so far? And that's the reason that uh, politics becomes a very old elderly people gets an easy entry into the politics, and no youth actually takes it as a career, because the entry into politics they believe is through approaches. I mean, the strong connections that you have with the political families or with the political members. So can we curb this? Can we have a proper dedicated university who's going to certify that this person has cleared all the exams for being into politics, and then he's getting a degree, and then he's getting a placement with different political groups here in India, or outside even. Okay, you get an engineering degree from an institute, and then you work with different firms. Clear? So why can't politicians who are willing to have a career in politics, clear? Why can't they have a university where they're clearing the exams, they're getting a degree, and they are applying for this political post, and proper recruitment should be there. I mean, this is what I'm trying to explore. Clear? I want you to explore. Okay. So you're talking about what are the missing things. Clear? You can compare like this, as medical and engineering students, they struggle from the entrance till the job placement and everything, but with politics it's not the same. Okay, so if it if everything is channelized properly, yeah, things would be easy, and this will be motivating the youth also. Okay. Okay, Dhruv?
Yes, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Shubham, bolo.
I have some problem in my topic. My topic is rich versus deprived perspectives of a people. Ma'am, can we compare their facilities?
See, India is a place where we have extreme rich people, right? And we people who are extremely poor. Okay, so there is a disparity. Okay, there is a huge gap. Clear? Now, for the rich people, India is a country which is full of resources. Clear? Which has given them everything. Okay, so their perspective, their way of looking at India is different. Whereas people who is struggling to live there one day even, okay, on earth here while living here in India, for them they see India as a different country. Clear? They see that we don't have resources, we have nothing. Clear? So what is their perspective? Okay, so this is what you need to talk about, and then you need to come up with a comparison how a country is simply not working in a balanced way. Okay, clear?
And then
This is what you need to talk about.
And then we have also discussed that the problem faced by deprived classes.
You're going to talk about only the problems for the deprived class. I mean, see, they're deprived because they don't have anything. Okay, they are simply deprived of all the facilities, or all the resources they can avail. Okay, so obviously you're talking about their problems there.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, bolo.
Ma'am, the whole presentation will explain by only one person or slide.
No. I mean, slide wise, person who will have his introduction slide, he'll be explaining, then the next person will come in, then the next. This is how it will be.
Okay, ma'am.
So we are supposed to discuss the major problems the deprived people facing.
Not only the major, problems of the deprived class. Okay. Okay, not only the problems. There are so many other factors. You need to explore those factors. Okay, and then compare how these the right to have an expression or right to information, or all the rights given to a citizen of India, clear, is treated differently. Clear. With the rich it is different, with poor it is different. We have so many cases. Clear. For example, when people from the lower class takes their cases in the court, clear, their cases are treated differently, whereas some high profile cases are being treated differently. So this is one evident example there. Okay, so this is how you can bring out different examples, and then you can explain. Okay, for all the points that you are going to discuss, you will get ample of examples. Okay.
Ma'am, in the topic deprived class versus rich class, do we have to make the presentation in a comparative manner, or like one section after the other?
No, it's a comparison, Neil. And how you are putting up your content is totally upon the decision of your group members. Okay.
Okay.
What else?
Will the students too be allowed to ask questions regarding someone?
No. No. It will be only the teacher who is taking the presentation.
Okay.
I would have, allowed if this was done in the physical classroom, but that will take much of time, and then other faculties will be coming in to evaluate. So I really don't want to trouble them. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Or quick question.
Ma'am, in our group there are 7 people. So, including cover page and reference, we have to make 16 slides, or excluding them?
16 slide would be more than enough. Take care. 7 into 2, 14 main slides. Take care. 14 content slide and 1 cover slide and 1 reference slide would be more than enough. 16 is a good number.
Okay, ma'am. Introduction and conclusion should be in the...
Included. It should be included. It should be included in the major slides.
Okay.
और बोलो.
Ma'am, do we have to give index?
No.
Okay.
Any more question?
Ma'am, each one will introduce himself, or the leader will introduce all the members?
No, they will be introducing themselves and they will begin with the presentation. Okay, and when you are uploading to the Google Classroom, okay, make sure you are mentioning the name and the roll number on each slide. Okay, so that in case if I need to refer, clear, while I'm putting up your marks, so I can refer to the slides. Okay, and I can get which slide was presented by whom. Okay. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
One strict instruction is, all the schedules that I have already given to you is also shared by the evaluator who is coming down. Okay, so no changes can be made. If your dates are, your group is scheduled for one particular day, you have to present it on that day. You cannot come up with an excuse कि मैम presentation ready नहीं हुआ है या एक बंदा नहीं आया है. नहीं. Clear. If someone is not responding, someone is having some medical issues, inform the invigilator. The evaluators will be added to the group. Clear. They'll add themselves to the WhatsApp group. Inform them that this is the problem, and only that person will be dropped for the presentation. Okay, rest other people need to come up with their presentation. ठीक है, बाद में I decide what I have to do with people who couldn't present. I mean, once I return back, I'll tell you what you need to do. But just because one person is not responding and you are making an excuse of his absence, won't work. Yeah, won't work. I'll ask the evaluator in that case to mark 0 for all the group members. ठीक है, तो वो चीज बिल्कुल नहीं करना है. इट्स अ सिंपल प्रेजेंटेशन. द वर्क हैज बीन डिवाइडेड. प्रिपेयरिंग 2 slides and then compiling it. It's just 1 day or 1.5 hour का काम है, उससे ज्यादा नहीं है. आई गेस अभी तक तुमने टॉपिक सब डिविजन्स कर चुके होगे तुम लोग. So it's just putting up a few sentences on 2 slides. It's just that. And then compiling.
मैम जो गूगल क्लासरूम में अपलोड करना है वो इंडिविजुअली करना है या एक साथ?
नहीं, मतलब उस ग्रुप के कोई भी एक बंदा गूगल अपलोड कर देगा. ठीक है
मैम, इन इंडिविजुअल स्लाइड वी हैव टू राइट?
नहीं, just the final presentation.
No ma'am, about that roll numbers.
No, that will be there na in the presentation. Yeah, see, when you people are preparing 2 slides, that has to be compiled as one. Okay, that is what I said now. I mean, after everyone has researched on their topic, they have come up with their points. They are either giving their points to the person who's making the PPT, clear, or draft two slides and send it to one person. Take you decide who among you is going to compile all the slides and make it as one presentation. समझ रहे हो? And that presentation will be presented by one person by presenting the screen. ठीक है, by sharing the screen, and he will go on changing the slides as the people come in to explain. ठीक है. So there will be only one presentation and the same will be uploaded on Google Classroom. Any one person from the group can upload on the Google Classroom.
Okay.
ठीक है. और बोलो. Any more question?
Ma'am, our topic is failures of achievers. Does it really matters? Can we put some example of big achievers?
Okay, big achievers like if I talk about Gandhi.
Yeah.
Gandhi. चलो ठीक है, Mark Zuckerberg. ठीक है.
Yes.
Let's talk about him. So, it is very pleasing to listen to their challenges. ठीक है. But does that really motivate? Or even if you are motivating, how long does it stays with us? Okay, as an audience. I mean, just for the moment that we are listening to them, clear? Maybe a day, maybe 1 week, clear? Because the challenges that each one of us are facing, okay, is different.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So listening to them, to their story, basically, has an underlying motivation that you need to struggle with your challenges. Okay, or you need to overcome your challenges. The challenges can be anything. It can be different for you, it can be different from me, it can be different for everything. Yeah. So the underlying motivation is overcoming your challenges, your own challenges, is what really matters. The entire motive of having these conversation with big achievers, talking about their struggles, is to make the audience understand that whatever struggle we need to face, clear, we need to overcome that. But most of the time what it happens, clear, when we listen to them, it is limited to our topic of discussion with our friends, clear, or it is just a matter that we keep in mind, clear, कि ठीक है उसने तो ऐसे struggle किया था, कभी बोलने के लिए हो जाता है. But when it comes to us, do we actually implement those things, clear? And if we fail to motivate ourselves, what are the reasons, clear? Why can't we motivate ourselves? Yeah. Or why can't our small achievements can be taken as big achievements? Okay. What is the difference? Okay. So you need to delve deeper into the topic. This is more a philosophical topic. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes. You're not audible, Shubham. You're not audible.
हम लोग में
Cannot hear you. Cannot hear you. Put your question. Put your question here in the chat box. I'll read it.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
चलो और कुछ? I'll answer Shubham's question and then we'll begin.
Ma'am,
Yes, Vishal, बोलो.
ma'am, our topic is tea underrated or overrated. So, do we need to mention the climatic factors which affect the production or
Everything. I mean, tea is treated differently in different parts of India. Okay, but overall, why is it overrated or why is it underrated? Clear? Needs to bring in comparison. Okay, comparing the different perspective of people in different states. Okay, or you can also talk about how, yes, on social media this has been hyped so much, right? So what are the thing? Okay, bring in everything.
Ma'am?
Hmm.
Ma'am?
Yes, Ravi, bolo.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, we have a topic which is Indians choosing early settlement over early marriages. So, whether early marriage is related to child marriage or anything?
No. Early marriage is obviously not child marriage. Early marriage means, you might have heard that our parents used to get married once they, attain the age of marriage. ठीक है, उस समय 18 years होता था for boys and 16 years for girls. Now it has been increased to 21 years. ठीक है, 19 years for girls and 21 years for boys. Clear? But still, even after attaining this age, they wait, right? I mean, they simply decide to settle down first. Clear? Settlement means having a secured job, having all the amenities in their lives and everything. Clear? And then they choose to marry. Clear? So what is the reason? What are the reasons?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
that has to be talked about.
Ma'am, also, just like that, in the topic.
You can present. You can present one aspect of child marriage. Okay, you can go back in history and you can pick up this incident of child marriage. Okay, you can relate to the present topic, but this is something different. This is simply contemporary. Okay, now the first reason being, everyone after having a good degree, having a good upbringing. Clear? I mean, why do your parents choose good universities which has good hostel facilities and all? Okay, so that they can make you understand these are the basic amenities, right? This is what you need to earn after you finish your education. Okay, this is the life you need to give to your family. Okay, so to attain such standards, okay, one need to settle down first so that you have a good income. Yeah, and then you can buy all those facilities for yourself as well as your family. So you choose to settle down with career settlement first and then with the marriage. Okay, so this is one example. There are many factors. Okay, and again there is a difference in opinion because बहुत सारे cultures में अभी भी once the kids are attaining the marriage age, clear, they are they are married, clear, and then they are left to have their career achieve, attain their career and pursue their earnings and all. Okay, so there are different perspectives, so you need to basically research on this, clear, how it is treated differently. Clear? in different parts of the country, and majority of the people chooses. I mean, take it upon yourself. Yeah, what would you do if this is the case with you? Okay. So this is how you need to think.
Ma'am, one
Huh.
more doubt. Ma'am,
Yes.
one more doubt. Yes, well, ma'am, as the topic suggests that Indians choosing early settlement over early marriage. So, can we use reference with the other countries like Japan, such as there is
Exactly. You can do that. You can do that.
Yes, we
Obviously.
can take reference.
Obviously, I mean, obviously, references are important, and when you're comparing with Western countries, right? I mean, they want their kids to be independent from a very early age. ठीक है हमारे पेरेंट्स तो फिर भी दे दे थिंक दैट 20-21 तक तो यू आर स्टिल अ किड ओके अभी तो तुमने बस ग्रेजुएशन खत्म की है सो टॉक अबाउट ऑल दीज पर्सपेक्टिव टॉक अबाउट दिस notion the Indian family notion which is still very evident okay be it rich family or poor family or whatever ठीक है so need to talk about all these things. Okay.
Yes.
Let me take Shubham's question. In my group, there are one absent list. He isn't participating in presentation. Then all members of the group, there's a no. You are just dropping this fellow, Shubham. Okay. Just drop out that fellow, and others just go on with your preparation. Okay. Clear, Shubham? Shubham, if you have listened to me. Okay. Yes, Yugal.
Ma'am, the person doing the intro and the conclusion, he or she is already providing the 2 slides. But again, the content is not like there's not a lot of content in the 2 slides. So can that person also make another 2 slides for the subtopic?
Yes. I mean, see, that is totally upon the group person. Clear? I have given minimum 2 slides for each individual.
Yes, ma'am, because minimum. So
minimum
it will
2
go around
slides
18 slides for our group because
doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. Just in that case, just keep in mind of the timings. Okay. I mean, quickly, thoda maybe just 1 minute or 2 minutes ka presentation for each person.
Thank you.
आज पढ़ने का मन नहीं है मैं समझ में आ रहा है you are deliberately coming up with such questions. You people have decided among yourself आज पढ़ते नहीं है सिर्फ questions पूछते हैं. बोलो. Any more question? हाँ, Ayan.
Ma'am, we just have to mention the bullet points from our content which can be illustrated further while giving the presentation.
Yes, that no long paragraphs will be entertained in any case. I have instructed the evaluators that in case if the students come up with long paragraphs, clear, that is to be assumed that it is copy pasted from Google or some other sources, and if they are reading out, they should be marked 0. Okay? In case if you're simply reading out your long paragraphs, assuming that the teacher will take my presentation or my reading as my presentation, वैसा नहीं होने वाला है. ठीक है? Individual presentation है, individual marking है, so no reading out of the slides. Write down 1 sentences, maximum 2 sentences or quotations. Clear? 1-liner, 2-liners, not more than that, but explain. Clear? Explanation is what is required. That shows how learned you are about the topic, how much you have researched on the topic. Okay, that will give you confidence. Okay.
Yes, ma'am, how much bullet point can we put?
तुमने जितना सर्च किया है ठीक है there is no limitation for that.
Ma'am, for paragraph it's 2 means for sentences.
Nah, Suprashad, come on. Now, how you are putting up your idea or how you are briefing your topic or paragraph is totally on you. All I want to say is no putting up long paragraphs where you're simply reading that paragraph and you're letting the teacher take it as your presentation. That won't happen. Okay? Put like, even if your slides have 10 bullet points. Okay, say for example, if your slides have 10 bullet points, I guess explaining 1 line or 2 line for each topic, each bullet point will be more than enough.
Yes. Thank you.
Ashutosh, bolo.
Ma'am, using images correlating to our topic or what we are saying, can you use that, ma'am?
Yes, that is allowed, but using of too much images is not permitted because that will uh, give a notion that you're simply trying to have escape from demonstrating things. Okay, use one picture or two pictures is more than enough.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
I'll be coming up with an extra class. Maybe a combined class. Because I'm on leave from this Thursday and I need to finish the topic. I'll come up with a common class क्योंकि सारे section जितने मेरे allotted sections है सब में एक चीज चल रही है ठीक है and maybe 1 hour class would be enough. तीनों section के साथ एक combined class करके I'll finish off with the syllabus. It's just 2 more topics left. 2 more important topics left. So I want a combined class. वो करके मैं खत्म करूँगी. Because all my lab classes are on Thursdays and Fridays, and I'll be on leave from this Thursday itself. So please ensure that you are not changing the scheduled slots because the same is communicated to the teachers. The teacher who is the teachers who are coming clear and your group names and the group members name, everything has been sent to them as it is. So any deviation will create a problem. Okay, and there will be different teachers coming in for the evaluation because this is class adjustment and according to their free slots, yeah, they'll be coming to take your class. So different teachers will be coming in. So accordingly, please cooperate. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
और कुछ?
Ma'am, what should the first slide contain?
The cover page, that's the cover, the title, the name of the group members, take the topic, that's it. Any more question?
Ma'am, we will have to explain the introduction part also.
हाँ टॉपिक का इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं होगा तो कैसे होगा?
Ma'am, who is going to
ठीक है ना?
explain
वो that is to be decided na among yourself. Who will take up the introduction? Introduction means which angle you are going to explain, okay, and why have you chosen that angle to be discussed, okay, that is the introduction. And how are you taking up the entire narration of that topic?
Okay, ma'am, got it.
You don't have classes after 6, right? Is it?
Ma'am,
normal class में अगर see I have to take one combined class because by the time I'm back टाइम बहुत हो चुका होगा and तुम्हारे एग्जाम्स भी रहेंगे सर पे.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll have to take one combined class, just 2 topics left, and I'll also give you practice exercises for your mid-semester examination so that you understand what type of questions are being asked and what are the patterns and everything. तो मुझे वो भी करना है, इसीलिए फिलहाल अटेंडेंस लेते हैं and I'll talk to other sections, ठीक है, and within 1 hour or 2 hour नहीं, ठीक है 2 घंटे में या 3 घंटे में I'll put up the update in the group, ठीक है, about the extra class, ठीक है, just 1 hour 45 minutes या 1 hour का extra class would be there and then I'll wind off just one day, ठीक है. I'll be calling out 3 sections together. B5, B6 and B25. These are the 3 sections that I take. So I'll just call in for one combined class and then I'll finish off. Okay?
Yes.
Chalo, please. We'll begin with our attendance. Okay, 66. Thank you so much. No, this is much more than enough. Oh, I'm really sorry. 66, please mark your attendance. 66 is present. Okay, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 74, Anushka, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 82 is absent. Acha, Ayan is 83, 84, 83. Ayan Chakravarti is absent. Okay. Next is 85, 86, 87, 83, 84 is also absent. Aisha is not there. Aisha is present. Okay. 85, 86, 87, 88, 88. Roll number 88. Okay. 89, 90, 91, 92, 93.
Present, ma'am.
Put it here in the chat box. 93, 94, 93 is there, 95, 96, 97, 98, 98, absent, 99, 800, 801, 2, 3, 4, 5, 805, 6, 7, 8, 9, 809 is absent. Okay, permanent absentee. No, Pragya, पता नहीं इसको क्या हुआ है. Okay, 9, 10 is there. 11, 11. Just hold on. Okay, 11. Wait a minute. Okay, 12.
11 present.
11 is present. 12, 13, 14, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 20. Acha, Sai Mohan is a permanent absentee. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 29. Shubham Paul.
Ma'am, please 1 minute, I'm writing, ma'am.
Ruko, 29 is there. Okay, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 34, Shubham again.